Hi kids, good morning. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. My name is Vaishali Joshi. Welcome to Junior KG. Now tell me, what we learned yesterday? Yes, we learned alphabet D. Capital D, small d. Capital D, small d. And sound of D is D. Sound of D is D. D says dog. D says duck. D says door. Let's revise. D says dog. D says duck. D says door. So kids, have you understood alphabet D and its words? So today I will show you how to write capital D and small d in 4 lines. Kids, now let's write alphabet D. Kids, we write alphabet D in English. We have to write in first 3 lines. Red line, first blue line and second blue line. Now let's do tracing of alphabet D. Now let's do tracing of alphabet D. Now start with red line to blue line standing line. Go up to the red line and make a reverse C and touch to the blue line. Capital D. Now small d. Red line to blue line standing line. Go up to the first blue line. Make a C and touch to the blue line. Small d. Now let's do again. Red line to blue line standing line. Go up to the red line. Make a reverse C and touch to the blue line. Now small d. Red line to blue line standing line. Go up to the first blue line and make a C and touch to the blue line. Small d. Now let's write from red line to blue line standing line. Go up to the red line. Make a reverse C and touch to the blue line. Capital D. Small d. Red line to blue line standing line. Go up to the first blue line. Make a C and touch to the blue line. Small d. Last time. Red line to blue line standing line. Go up to the red line. Make a reverse C and touch to the blue line. Capital D. Small d. Red line to blue line standing line. Go up to the first blue line. Make a C and touch to the blue line. Small d. Capital D and small d. So now let's draw some more pictures of alphabet D. Now we will draw objects related to alphabet D. First picture we will draw of door. For that we will draw one standing line over here. Keep some distance and draw one more standing line. Now we will draw one sleeping line at below over here. And one more sleeping line above here. Now we will draw two small boxes inside the door. One box and another box. Now we will draw one small handle of the door. So our door is ready. So we will write capital D in this space. We write capital D. So D says door. D says door. Now we will draw drum. One small standing line over here and keep some distance and draw one more standing line over here. Now we'll draw one curvy line to join these two standing lines. Now one more smiley over here and make one more curvy line and join this. Now we will draw one sleeping line over here and in this space we will draw a zigzag line. Go up, down, up, down, up, down. Our drum is ready. Now we will draw drum stick. For that we'll draw one slanting line and small circle. Another slanting line and make a small circle. So our drum stick is ready. Now we will write in this space small t. So D for drum. D for drum. So our picture is ready. Now let's revise alphabet A, B, C and D with writing and its pictures. Now let's write alphabet A to D. Capital A. Small a. Capital A, small a. Capital B. Small b. Capital B, small b. Capital C, small c. Small d. Capital D, small d. Now let's revise. Capital A, small a. Capital B, small b. Capital C, small c. Capital D, small d. Now let's revise. alphabet A to D. Which alphabet is this? Capital A, small a. What is the sound of A is eh. Eh says apple. Capital B, small b. What is the sound of B is ba. Ba says ball. Capital C, small c. What is the sound of C is ka. Ka says cat. Capital D, small d. What is the sound of D is da. Da says dog. Now let's do worksheet given over here. Now let's do worksheet. Match alphabet D with pictures that start with alphabet D. Let's start with cat. Does not match with sound D. So we will not match it. Dinosaur. D says D. So we will match with D. An apple. Does not match with sound D. So we will not match it. Donuts. D says D. So we will match with D. Dog. D says D. So we will match with D. Banana. Does not match with sound D. So we will not match it. Doll. D says D. So we will match with D. Mango. Does not match with sound D. So we will not match it. Duck. D says D. So we will match with D. Dress. D says D. So we will match with D. Take care of yourself. Keep smiling. Thank you.